Most beginner gardeners don't fail because of bad seeds. They fail before planting even begins. New gardeners usually focus on what to plant first, but the real success of a garden comes from preparation, not plant choice. Soil quality is the foundation of every healthy garden. If soil can't hold nutrients, drain properly, or support roots, plants struggle no matter how easy they're supposed to be. Good soil doesn't have to be expensive, it just needs organic matter, airflow, and proper drainage. Another reason beginner gardens fail is overwatering. Poor soil stays wet too long, which causes root rot and disease. Healthy soil drains well but still holds moisture. That balance is key. Before planting anything, improve your soil with compost or organic material. Start small, fix one bed or container and learn how your soil behaves. If you want a simple starting point, I've put together a beginner gardening checklist linked below. Gardening gets much easier once the foundation is right.